Bridges. In this module, you'll learn about different types of bridges. Bridges are structures built over a physical obstacle, especially a water body. They're designed to carry vehicular, railway and pedestrian traffic. Man has been using bridges since very early in history. Earlier, the main structure of bridges was made of materials such as wood and stones. Nowadays, materials like steel and concrete are used. For suspending bridges, vines were used earlier. Later, vines were replaced by ropes. Nowadays, metal link chains instead of ropes are used for suspension. Modern bridges are of 5 different types: beam bridges, arch bridges, suspension bridges, cable-stayed bridges and cantilever bridges. The beam bridge is the simplest type of bridge. It's made of 2 or more pillars, piers, which hold up a horizontal beam. The earliest beam bridges were simple logs that sat across streams or similar simple structures. The Costa e Silva Bridge in Brazil is a famous beam bridge. It is 13,290 meters long and is built over Guanabara Bay at Rio de Janeiro. In the arch type of bridge, weight is carried outward along 2 paths, curving toward the ground. The Lupu Bridge in Shanghai, China, is the world's longest arch bridge. It has a length of 3,900 meters. The deck of a suspension bridge is hung by cables which are suspended from towers. The cables transfer the weight to the towers, which transfer the weight to the ground. The Akashi Kayo Bridge, or the Pearl Bridge, located in Japan, is the world's longest suspension bridge, measuring 3,911 meters. It links the city of Kobe on the mainland of Honshu with Iwaya on the Awaji Islands. Like a suspension bridge, a cable-stayed bridge is also held up by cables. But cables from the towers go directly to the road deck instead of spanning from tower to tower. In a cable-stayed bridge, less cable is required and the towers holding the cables are proportionately shorter. The Millau Viaduct built over the Tarn Valley near Millau in southern France is the tallest cable-stayed vehicular bridge in the world. The top of its highest tower reaches a height of 1,125 feet, higher than the Eiffel Tower. The cantilever bridge is built using cantilevers, which are horizontal beams supported on only one end but unsupported at the other, like diving boards. The cantilever bridges normally use pairs of cantilevers back to back with a short beam bridge in between the cantilevers. The Howrah Bridge in West Bengal, India, is the busiest cantilever bridge in the world. It's built over the river Hooghly and links the cities of Howrah and Kolkata. It's 705 meters long and 97 feet wide. Here are some famous bridges around the world in pretty scenic views. In this module you've learned that bridges are structures built over a physical obstacle, especially a water body. They are designed to carry vehicular, railway and pedestrian traffic. Modern bridges can be classified into beam bridges, example Costa e Silva Bridge in Brazil; arch bridges, example Lupu Bridge in Shanghai, China; suspension bridges, example Akashi Kayo Bridge in Japan; cable-stayed bridges, example Millau Viaduct in France; cantilever bridges, example Howrah Bridge in India.